Hello guys, this is tutorial on how to remove alternator from Hyundai Tucson 2.0 CRDi from year 2006. Here's the alternator, see. First you put your car on the lift or jack or something, remove the bottom plastic protection cover, yes. Then you remove the wheel, then remove the side plastic cover. You have 3 bolts here, here and here, yes. And here is the crankshaft pulley and everything. See, to remove the belt you have to, you see this bolt 17 millimeters. You put a wrench and you press it on this side. The belt will get loose and you remove it from here. Next. And one more tip, you remove your oil stick. Just remove this bolt and slightly pull it out, and that's it. You will have more room to remove this. Yeah, and this is it. When you undo the bolts, you remove the oil pump to the right and wiggle the alternator out, and that's it. When you remove the belt on the bottom end, yes, then you should remove the water hose. It will be much easier to get to the alternator and to the bolts that are holding it. Now, if you don't have a special tool for these clips, you just use this, yes, and you just press it. Opa, it is a little hard with the left hand. You just push it and press it and remove it. Yes. I also have to remove this because I see that it is crystallizing and leaking antifreeze. When you are pulling it down, do this first. Wiggle it left and right so it doesn't stick to the plastic, so you don't break the radiator. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Before working on alternator, you should remove the battery. I removed the plus pole. I put this sanding paper so it doesn't get caught accidentally. Okay. Then you have 2 bolts of alternator. You have one here and one down here. Hope you see it. Yes. You just undo them and that's it. The bottom one is on the long bolt, but it will come off. I will show you later how that bolt looks. You remove the plus wire and connector. Okay, remove it. You just press it like this, you see, like this, and pull it out. I found that it is easier to remove these 3 bolts here, here and down here. This is when the alternator is removed. You see the oil pump here. I left it here. I think it is the easier way to get the alternator out. It only has 3 bolts on this side, and here is the big bolt I was telling you about on the alternator that you have to push on the right. And that's it.